In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add date in fields in Framer. Start by opening your Framer project. Once you're inside, look to the left sidebar and open the CMS. This is where your content structure lives, and where we'll add the new date information so it can be reused across your site. Next, open your collections. Choose the collection you want to modify. This could be something like blog posts, events, or products. Inside that collection, switch to the Fields panel. If you're already seeing fields, perfect. Just confirm you're on the right panel where the schema is managed. Now, add a new field. Click the button that lets you create a field, and from the list of field types, select Date. This ensures Framer treats the value as a true date, which unlocks proper sorting, filtering, and formatting later on. Give your field a clear, human-friendly name, like published date or event date, and add a short description if you want to guide collaborators on how to use it. Clear naming matters. It makes content entry faster and reduces mistakes. Configure the options for the field. If you want every item in this collection to include a date, set the field to Required by selecting Yes. This is great for things like publish schedules or event listings where a missing date can break layouts. You may also see a visibility control. Go ahead and click Hide to see how it behaves in the list view, then switch it back to Show so it remains visible where you need it. If there's an option to auto-populate with a default date, set it to No for now, so you enter accurate dates intentionally rather than relying on the current timestamp. With the field set up, navigate back to the collection items. If you see a message like No items, that's totally fine. Your schema has been updated, and the date field will appear as soon as you add your first item. When you do add content later, you'll be able to pick a specific date, and Framer will store it in a structured way. Finally, publish your changes. Publishing updates your content model so it's available on the live site and to any teammates working on the project. After publishing, you can bind this date field in your designs and format it to match your style, like month, day, year, or a shorter numeric format. A quick tip: be mindful of time zones and display formats to keep dates consistent for your audience. That's it. Your date field is ready to use across your collection and design.